The green streak is over. This morning, I was a little distracted. I was messing around with the live stream, talking in the chat room and all that stuff, and just being an idiot. And I paid the price because I wasn't focused. I didn't do what I needed to do to make money today. And this is a great video showing what happens when you're not focused and just the difference between the last couple weeks where I was very focused. I wasn't emotional. This morning, I was emotional. I wasn't focused. And you'll see the trade here in a second. I was buying. I had some pretty good entries. But then I ended up getting out early. The first trade of the day, I had a problem. I had to restart my computer, having problems. I'm not trying to put the blame on anybody else or trying to blame you guys for the live stream or anything like that. But I just got to make sure that I'm focused, because if I'm not focused, this is what happens. You have a red day. So have a red day today. You're going to see the trades here in a minute. So let's do it. Let's go. Red, baby. It happens. I took a red. I took a loss, but I'm going to get back up. Stream this morning. Getting crazy here. Hold on one second. Morning. So I ended up jumping in there on ACHV this morning and just having problems there. So ACHV pushing up there to the 450. My computer, what I was trying to do this morning was trying to record and stream at the same time, and it just was not working. Was being all kinds of weird there, and ended up taking the L there on ACHV. But let's see if we can get a little bit more of a pullback here. This 420 area, that previous support. Looking for a little bit more. There's that push back up there. Just not getting my mind straight here. I gotta get my mind straight. Big washout there on ACHV. Looking for a little bit more. See if we can pull down to $4. Jumping in there on this pullback down there to the 385, and then the stock ACHV pushing up there to 450 now. Looking for some opportunity here. Just want to push. I can add some more if this dips off that $4. More there. Looking for us to push back up there. $4 my last stop there. Just bounce a little bit there. Looking for $4 to turn into support there. Just to bounce back up there. They're beautiful. Nice little bounce there off that $4 whole dollar. Looking for us to push back up there. Jumping out of it there. Just not liking. So I'm down $550. I'm going to just close out right there. I think after having the technical problems this morning, having issues with the stream, I can't spend time in the morning figuring out my computer problems and that kind of stuff. Now it's going to push back up there. But that's one of the issues with the live stream and stuff, is you got to have complete focus here. Complete focus. It's frustrating because I know that the reason I'm red right now is not because, or maybe, I mean, it's because of me, but I know I'm red right now because of just the overall, just morning. And, you know, maybe this was a little bit of a chase. I don't know. Maybe, I think it was all right. I think it was a decent dip buy there. At least buying off that support there, off that $4 bounce. Got a little push. Just not getting it right now, so I'm just going to close it out there. Take the $500 loss. I'm going to take a $500 loss. I'm doing it. ALDX doing. This is a stock that I was talking about pre-market as well. Talking about how I was going to be shorting into that $14 resistance. Again, I wasn't focused and ended up missing out on that move down there to $13.30. So, boom. Focused. Just not having the focus today, and you can see. You can see the difference between when I'm focused and when I'm not focused, and when I do things, silly things. And there's a good example. So ALDX down there to 340 now. What else we got there? ACHV back up there to 420 now. This is terrible. Terrible trading right now. Pretty amazing that I got out right here. I don't know what I was doing. I was honestly just having issues with the stream and everything going on. I couldn't get it together there. Just could not get it together. I'm going to take the red day. I'm going to learn from this that I need to be focused. I need to be focused on what I need to do, and that's trading, not the live streaming. No offense to you guys, but I really just need to make sure that I'm focused on trading in the morning. I'm not going to complain. You know, losing $550, it's not going to kill me. This is a good red day. This is a good red day. I think it also is going to put me back in, put it all back into perspective and show me that, you know, I can lose. If I don't follow the rules, if I do stupid things, I can lose. And this is a great example of that. When I do, you know, get distracted, what happens? I need to be fully focused on trading. And today is a good example of what happens when I'm not focused. And there it is. ACHV back up there at 430 now. The worst part about losing money on ACHV is not that I was red or not that I lost money, but the idea that my entries were good. I had decent entries, but I mean, I know this entry here probably wasn't the best entry, but overall, my entries were on the bottom of those waves, where in the past, you know, 3 or 4 months ago, where would I have been buying at? I would have been buying up here, and then I'd have been selling for a much bigger loss. So I feel pretty good, you know, managing my risk there. I had 5,000 shares, and I only had a $500 loss. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. And I'm gonna go ahead and just close this out. And I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. I gotta just get off the computer. I gotta get some stuff cleaned up and organized. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to learn more about day trading, you want to follow along, you want to see when I post new videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's also a little bell notification tab down there somewhere. If you hit the bell notification, that way you'll know whenever I go live in the morning, sharing my free scanner live on YouTube. That way you'll get notified. And also, if you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Hit me with that comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave a comment down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.